Hey guys, welcome back to the Puerto Rican Hammer channel. Today we're unboxing the TERREX Boat S.RDY water shoes. These are lightweight, breathable boat shoes for comfort near the water. Climate Cool provides 360-degree cooling for the entire foot. Traction outside for optimal grip in all directions. I got these to go to work when it starts raining on me. I could just put these shoes on. I'll keep them in my truck. And you know, if they get wet, they get wet, you know, and then I'll switch back to the other shoes once it stops raining. These I got them on clearance for $42 on the Adidas website. I think right now they are unavailable. Yeah, and they're in black. I bought them 11. I normally 10.5 to 11, but I bought these in 11.5 because that's all that was left. So we'll see if they fit big. TERREX Boat S.RDY, model BC0506, C black, white, C black, hiking. Alright, oh, they are really light. Alright, here's the shoe here. Let's get a little bit better light. Alright, heat ready, I guess that means. They are super light. The bottoms have holes in them with mesh.
Breathable soles.
Then if you look here, it has a groove going this way, and in the front it has the groove going this way. So I guess it's just, you know, if you're walking backwards, it stops you from slipping this way, and forward is, I guess it's gripping as you're walking. You can see that maybe. See that though?
Yes. It's all mesh, right?
Mm-hmm. All right, TERREX 225. Yeah, it's really light and meshy, all of it. Really meshy, breathable. The whole thing is breathable, so I'm assuming that would dry up fast if it gets wet. Let's see how big they fit. Like I said, I'm normally 10.5 to 11. So yeah, it's a little big. It is a little bit big. My toe, you know, that much. See my foot right here. But I think for what I want to use it for, it's gonna be fine. I'm gonna do a walk. All right, let's go over here. Get this fur ball, okay?
So you have wiggle room.
Yeah, it's so light that it doesn't bother me, because see what I mean? Like I'm pushing my foot forward, and it's literally grabbing and not allowing it to go forward. You know, same thing this way. Look, it's pretty.
With a good grip.
I like them. Like I said, they feel like you have nothing on.